into a sex contract.
Whoa, look at that! Look at that! They're fucking dealing with some greebles over there. Dumb fucks. Okay, shit, I guess let's just kill them all. Fuck, we got a warp base coming in.
Sorry, who are we killing?
Eat my postmaster bullets!
Another wave? Are you kidding me? Hey!
I love shooting ligaments! God, oh God.
Nailed him! Here comes more! Watch it! If only they were all this weak, you know?
Piggly piggly mode!
Don't fuck my corpse.
Wow, those mothers weren't kidding around. That was violent. Wow, a real G3 training facility. Maybe Douglas does the training in person.
Psst. Hey, you. Check this out. I got some goop here. You're gonna love it. You can use it to sneak in. Come over here. How old are you? Hey there. Thanks for coming over here. I'm the goop guy around these parts. You wanna sneak into G3 facilities? You gotta get covered in goop. That's just how it goes. My stuff's quality. So you want some goop, right?
You know what? Yes. How about a big fat yes? Let's go.
Perfect. Head down the alley there and just let the magic happen. I guess. Don't worry. First goop's on me. Just tell all your buddies about it. I'm the goop guy.
Oh, this fucking, oh my God, the smell. Oh my God, I'm gonna fucking throw up. Okay, I'm all right.
Hey, look at you. You're all gooped up. I gotta be honest. It won't last long. It's not the real stuff. So you better be quick. Get in, get out. Don't stay in there too long. Don't lollygag, because this stuff's gonna fall off. That's the goop guy pro.
Okay, Douglas again. This ad is about the torture.
Oh, looky here. We got another gooped up G3 recruit. Be advised that the G3 cartel is not responsible for any life-threatening injuries you may incur on these premises. But even if we were, we wouldn't give a shit. Who cares? I hope you get shot. Good luck.
Thanks. Are you fucking kidding me? They have some whole thing prepared?
Shut the fuck up, it's starting.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm sure you already know who I am, but for anyone living under a rock, I'm Douglas, G3 Chief of Training and Torture. And wouldn't you know it, I like to blur those lines a little. Training, torture, what's the difference, I say? Look to your left, now look to your right. Both of those people are gonna die today. You are about to jump right into an accurate warp-based simulation of what it'll look like to be on the real battlefield. And let me tell you, you're probably gonna die. But hey, if you don't, you get to join the G3. Big whoop. All right, that's it. Lock and load, fuckers.
Oh my God, is that?
All right, shut
you
it
saw
off.
that, right?
I got
That
torturing
was
to
a
do.
Gatlian. Douglas has a Gatlian. We gotta rescue her. Jesus, these fucking Mercaloids. Oh fuck, here we go. I hope it's not too difficult. Die, you creepy crawly bastard! Whoa!
I'm gonna rework your ribs.
You fucking kidding me? More? Ready, bounty hunter?
Where'd you go?
I'll fucking kill every one of you little pieces of shit!
I'm squad leader, I have no clue what to do. Don't come back.
All right, that's the last of them, right?
Oh, okay, you beat all the weak guys. Easy! Really easy. Now go do the obstacle course.
Oh, okay. Really? You got hurt? Yeah, that looked like it should have been easy. Shit, this must be the beginner course. Come on. Stop messing up. You know, listen. You're not gonna impress me if you get through this. It's pretty simple.
I have a pacemaker. One zap would kill me. Hey, you go on ahead.
Okay, let's just get this over with, please. Oof, okay, get that fucking jump. God damn, that was a little, we made it. That was a little tough, though.
Congratulations, shitheads. So you made it past the first training exercise. Big deal. That one was easy. We lied and said it was hard to scare you. Oh, it's fun to freak you out, to fuck with your heads. Now get ready for exercise 2. It starts in 1 hour. That's right, you have to wait a full hour. We're testing your resolve. So just stand there patiently and wait. Then this door will open and you can continue.
Okay, there's no way we're waiting a full hour. Seriously, for fuck's sake, don't make us wait a whole hour. Okay, thank God. Okay, let's ditch this whole recruiting bullshit thing. Oh shit, okay, well, there goes that bootleg goop. I guess that didn't last for very long.
Oh my God! Hello! Thank God you're here! My name's Dr. Joopy. Douglas kidnapped my whole family, and I'm trying to sneak in and save them, but I just can't get through these pipes in the next room. Oh my God, I'm freaking out!
Hey, whoa, listen, little guy. We're trying to find Douglas, too. You know, maybe we can help each other.
God, I'm so worried I'm gonna throw up. You'll really help me? Oh, gee, I'm so grateful. Follow me. You gotta connect these pipes for me so I can get through and save my family.
Hey, don't worry. This is a classic textbook puzzle situation. I think me and my bounty hunter partner can figure this one out. Don't even worry.
Oh, how wonderful. Wow! You did it! You got the door open! Listen, I'll never forget this. You're my personal hero.
Oh, come on. You're too kind. It was easy.
Oh, did you say you're heading to find Douglas too? His office is that big building up on top of Dregtown. There's a zip line just past here that'll take you right to him.
Huh. Well, all right then. I hope the guy gets his family back. Here we come! That was the hardest part behind us. This is basically done. We finished this shit. We are fully... Oh, fuck! Okay. What is this?
Congratulations to all of you worms who made it this far in your training. It is now time for the final test, a bloody free-for-all. Last one standing gets to join the G3. No rules, just killing. Good luck, shitheels.
God damn it, another fucking thing with this. Holy shit, just kill them all.
Yeah, good job. Congratulations, recruit. Now, I don't know, fight some more guys.
Nobody's gonna miss you. Another wave. Too easy.
Yeah, riddle me full of holes.
Killing these weak fucks doesn't do anything for me. Oh shit. Nobody's gonna miss you.
I'm gonna rework your ribs. Hi. I'm imperturbable.
Enemy of the G3 sighted.
That's for ruining my life. Oh shit, this one's rushing us.
Damage to door. I'm gonna get you before you burn me.
Fuck you, G3 scum. Too easy. future corpse?
It's gonna take 4 months to heal. Oh, right in the old pee hole. You can hide from me, bounty hunter. I mean, you can, but it's This is absurd.
Woo! We did it! We're the #1 G3 recruit. We could be in the G3 if we wanted to be. Woo! We could be. If we wanted to.
Congratulations, graduates, on joining the G3 or whatever. I really can't stress enough how little I give a shit. Now report to your commanding officer and we'll send you off to die fighting for us on whatever dumbass planet we decide. See ya.
Come on over. We got the best deals in all of Draketown. Sure, you can browse all you want. I gotta come clean. I'm great at the sales pitch, but really, this shop is not all that impressive. You know our return policy is that you can't. Thanks for coming by. Nice to see you. You there! Yes, you, the savvy customer. Solid purchase. Not a great purchase, not a smart purchase, but... solid.
Oh, it's you! Oh, you again! Am I glad to see you? I'm so happy we keep running into each other.
Oh, look who it's our old buddy. It's our old friend, Dr. Joopy. What are you talking about? How's it going?
There's another locked door. I'm running out of time. God, I'm so worried about my kids. And a little bit about my wife, but...
Okay, we'll see what we can do.
Oh, my poor kids. I hope Douglas doesn't kill them. I can feel my wife Plimmy calling for me. You're gonna solve this one, too. Thank you. I don't want to rush you, but I'm getting nervous. Swoopy and Froopy would really like you two. Oh, they're good kids. I can't wait to introduce them to you and tell them about everything you did for me. They need good, strong role models. Oh, Plimmy and the kids are probably so scared without... Amazing! Amazing! You did it again! Douglas's office isn't too far from here. I'm going on ahead. I'll see you there!
Jesus Christ, Douglas is gonna kill Dr. Joopy. Look how weak and cute Dr. Joopy is. Forget about it.
This is an urgent announcement. This sector has temporarily been designated as a Mother's For and Against Violence Zone.
That means there's probably just going to be a lot of violence. An intruder has infiltrated